How to install a thermostat. We're gonna need a new thermostat and a Phillips head screwdriver. Turn the power to the thermostat off. This apartment has an emergency switch, which is what that is, but if you don't have one of these, then find your panel box and turn off the breaker that goes to the thermostat. Take the old thermostat off the wall. Test the power to the thermostat, make sure it's off. This screwdriver has a voltage tester, and whenever it's near a wire that is hot, it will beep and let me know there's power to the wire. See, now it's off. If I turn it on, see, now it's on. Now it's off. Just to be extra safe, we're gonna wear gloves to do this. These are plastic gloves, or these are rubber gloves, and you can't get shocked while wearing these. We already turned power off and tested the power, but I've had this beaten into my head where you just don't mess with electricity, so I'm passing it on. And so you don't mess with electricity, even if it's just 120 volts. And so now we're gonna take the screws out where the wires are connected. It's just good habit to get in. Take out these two side screw drywall screws. And take the mount off the wall. Now we're going to attach the new mount to the wall out here. And put the drywall screws back in. Now we're just putting on a new Honeywell thermostat. It comes with this piece, which opens like so, and all the wires fit through it in the middle. And it fits on here like so. There we go. Now, I honestly forget what the colors of the wires signify, like what their function is. I know red is hot, but that's about all I know. But on the sides, they're like the letters. So white goes in W. Over here, so just push it into this hole. Push the wire in there. Green goes to G. You see these tabs go down in the back here, and they just hold on to the wire once you push the copper into the slot. Yellow goes to Y. And red or pink or whatever you want to call it goes to R. And just close the lid like so. And this new thermostat comes with slots for batteries just in case the power goes out, but you still need a thermostat to control everything. So just put the batteries in. And then these pins fit in to these holes here. And so we're just gonna line them up and push it in, like so. So we're gonna set it, since it's summer, I'm gonna set it to cool and fan. auto. Set it to 72. Now turn the power back on. Sometimes these have like a 5-minute delay, so if you replace this and you turn all the power back on, and the AC doesn't immediately kick back on, or the heat doesn't immediately kick back on, it just means there's a 5-minute delay. So just wait like 5 minutes, and if the AC or heat still doesn't come on after 5 minutes, then something else is wrong. Like check wire connections, check the like the switches, switch or breaker, and yeah. Now the AC is kicked on in the apartment, thermostat's working. All good. Like and subscribe.